Hey there! Welcome back to Really Tech Tools, your go-to channel for exploring innovative gadgets that simplify your life. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen convenience with a must-have tool, the pineapple corer. If you've ever struggled with slicing and enjoying fresh pineapple, these gadgets are about to change your game. Let's kick it off with some fantastic options that promise to make your pineapple experience a breeze. 1. Pineapple corer remover. High-quality stainless steel construction for stability and durability. Effortlessly peels, slices, and cores pineapple. Sharp serrated blade for perfect rings. Ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip. Detachable parts for easy cleaning. Includes a handy cleaning brush. Compact design for convenient storage. Suitable for both home cooks and professionals. 2. Stainless steel 3-in-1 pineapple peeler. Peel, core, and slice fresh pineapple in seconds. Simple step-by-step instructions for quick and efficient use. Durable 100% food-grade stainless steel with a reinforced blade. Detachable mechanism for easy cleaning. Time-saving compared to hand slicing with a knife. Safe and efficient. Now let's talk about why you'd want to invest in a pineapple corer. These tools aren't just gadgets, they're game changers in the kitchen. Efficiency and time saving. Say goodbye to the struggle of peeling and coring. A pineapple corer efficiently removes the tough skin and core, saving you precious time and effort. Cutting pineapples can be a bit tricky due to their spiky exterior. With a pineapple corer, you minimize the risk of accidental cuts. 3. Consistent slice. No more uneven cuts. The corer ensures uniform and consistent slices, perfect for presentation and various recipes. Let's dive deeper into what makes these pineapple corers stand out. Stainless steel blade, 9.9 ounces weight. Dimensions, 9.35 x 3.92 x 3.31 inches. Reinforced design, thicker blade, and sturdy welding points. Spiral through the fruit for perfect rings, with a hollow rind serving as a bowl or decoration. Available in multiple colors. Stainless steel blade, 3.5 ounces weight. Dimensions, 4x1 x 7 inches. Versatile for apples and pears, easy grip handle. Suitable for halved or fully sliced pineapple circles. So, there you have it. Tech enthusiasts, the pineapple corer, a simple yet incredible tool that's revolutionizing how we enjoy fresh pineapple. Choose the one that suits your needs and let the hassle-free pineapple preparation begin. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tool explorations, and I'll catch you in the next video. This is Really Tech Tools signing off.